Let's talk about compensation. Compensation is a pretty basic concept, but the idea being that one area is going to try to take extra stress if another area is injured, weakened, or unable to take that stress. For example, if you have an injury to your low back, other parts of your body are going to try to compensate. So you may have, let's say, a disc injury. A disc injury will trigger your muscles around that area to try to stabilize the lumbar spine. That would be considered compensation. You may see that you have spasms or have a very tight low back because it's trying to take that extra force that the disc cannot take. Alternatively, if you have muscular imbalance or muscular weakness, your joints are actually going to take more stress because the muscles cannot take that stress. And if you have that problem, you may be prone to causing disc injury or potentially other injuries like the facet joints, which are small joints that also live in the low back and are a very common cause of pain for golfers. Now, the other thing to talk about is that different levels will compensate as well. If, for example, you have weakened gluteal muscles, which are very important in terms of the stabilization of the pelvis, you're going to have compensation of one level up and one level down of your muscle. So if you have weak glutes, which is your buttock muscles, your low back and your hamstrings are going to tighten up and try to basically make up for the weakness in your gluteal muscles. This is also a very common cause of low back pain in golfers.